I've been there for 40 years, supplying theatrical costumes all over the country, and it's just devastating that to end it this way, you know. It really has been. What I might have lost, I couldn't even calculate at the moment, because there's so many costumes in there, and but they're priceless. A lot of them are just priceless and never to be retrieved again and never to be got again, which is the sad part of it, you know.
We got up at the site. Our end looked okay. We give the firemen access to have a look. Happy enough. The fire seemed to be on the right hand side of our building and behind, but then there seemed to be a significant change of wind, and it just seemed to spread rapidly, faster than anybody thought. The firemen were great, you know, they were doing everything they could, and they tried their best, but it's just, luckily nobody was injured. That's the main point of everything, that there was no injuries.